Dear scholars, this is paper in 5 minutes and today we are going to talk about a research paper which recently got published in Nature Electronics on the topic of wireless power transfer system. Nikola Tesla was the first scientist to invent a system that could transfer electric power wirelessly, and since then scientists all over the world are trying to achieve and develop such an efficient wireless power transfer system. Current technology has the limitations of specific power transfer distance, which means the receiver and the transmitter has to maintain a specific distance to achieve the wireless power transfer system. And to overcome these limitations, researchers at Stanford University have developed a new technique that could transfer electric power wirelessly regardless of the distance between the transmitter and the receiver. A standard wireless power transfer system consists of two magnetically coupled resonators, one on the source side and one on the receiver side. Researchers developed a system which consists of a source resonator with suitable gain coupled to a lossy receiver resonator with a load that consumes power. In standard power transfer system, power is injected into the source resonator using a radio frequency at a fixed frequency. Here, the power is injected through a gain element into the source resonator. First of all, the researchers used an operational amplifier or the op-amp to achieve this. In a parity time or PT symmetric wireless power transfer scheme, power flow starts at the gain element embedded inside the source resonator, which receives supplied power and continually injects power into the source resonator. This PT symmetric setup automatically oscillates at a frequency that is optimal for wireless power transfer and hence can achieve constant transfer efficiency and deliver a consistent power level for a wide range of transfer distances without any need for external tuning. It is known that switch mode amplifiers can provide much higher energy injection efficiency, and then the researchers developed a circuit design that uses a switch mode amplifier and current sensing phase delay feedback. Here the efficiency is compared between an op-amp and a switch mode circuit. In this circuit, the gate driver generates a square wave signal at switching frequency to control the transistor to be in the on or off switch state. The waveforms of current and voltage during one on-off cycle for a circuit satisfying the efficient switching condition. The supplied power, the transistor's power consumption and the power consumption at load during one cycle. The switch mode amplifier is highly efficient, converting the supplied power to output power with virtually no loss. And the effective impedance remains close to its optimal value throughout the strong coupling region, with the resistive part decreasing with greater transfer distance in the weak coupling region. Researchers constructed a prototype where they built a pair of 58 cm diameter copper coils from the inductive coupling link for wireless power transfer, and the receiver's coil is configured as a parallel RLC resonator with 2.37 MHz resonating frequency and a measured quality factor of 29. The source coil functions as the inductive element of the switch mode amplifier's output filter. They varied the separation distance from the 20 cm to 100 cm between the source and the receiver resonator. This shows the oscillation frequency measurements which exhibit the branching characteristic of the underlying eigenfrequencies of the PT symmetric system. The measured power transfer efficiency values in comparison with the theoretical and circuit simulation models as the transfer distance varies. The input-output voltage waveforms of the switch mode amplifier taken at various transfer distances can be shown here in this graph. 10 watt of power was transferred wirelessly with a distance of 65 cm with a total efficiency of more than or almost 92%. One of the limitations of this research is that this efficiency is robust only if the system is on axis. If the system is misaligned, means if the receiver and the transmitter is not on the same axis, the efficiency drops drastically, as well as if you increase the distance between the transmitter and the receiver, the efficiency decreases. Hope new research on this topic will overcome these limitations. Thank you.